Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a new phone in Photoshop. So in here, I've already opened the Photoshop app, and you can start by opening your browser and then find the phone that you want to add. So I'm going to find it on thephone.com. So here you can just find the font that you want to download into your Photoshops. For example, just add this Darling Coffee font. So just click on the download button, then download the font to your computer. So just wait until the download is finished. Okay, now click on open. This is the phone, so you can just click on the phone file, then click on install. Just wait until the file is installed on your computer. Okay, so it's already installed. Let's close it here. Let's open the Photoshop, and then I'm going to write the text in here. This is the text of the choose. The theme is Darling Coffee, so let's find it under the options in here at the top. So it's okay, this one, Darling Coffee. So the phone is successfully added. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.